Thank you very much.
What's the meaning? Yes, who is there? Come in. Come in. Are you dumb? How may I help you?
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, thank God. I got a call that I am a TV repairer, a fridge repairer.
You don't even know what you do.
Yeah, I repair TV, I repair fridge, I repair everything.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I got a call that you are in need of help.
Yeah, my fridge has stopped
Stop it.
functioning. It's
Please,
malfunctioning now, so
So,
I don't know if you can assist me.
please, when did this start?
3 days today.
3 days today. And what you mean at now? I have a problem.
I use cold, give me hot.
No, it's not like that.
Please do your job.
Okay, thank you very much. You have water in it.
Yes, there's something inside. You must be thirsty.
Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you very much.
What's the meaning? My friend put that thing off there.
Sorry.
Did you see, when you came here, did you see any refuse here?
I'm very sorry.
Push for it. Mr. Man, so what do you say?
Is it on? Yeah. So it's on, right? So you can't hear anything.
Wow, so you are wearing glasses and you can't see.
Let me check.
Do your job. What's wrong?
What's wrong? What's wrong there? What's wrong?
Hey!
Who are you?
I'm also BM.
Ah,
Sister, now
you
we swear.
You know the fridge was malfunctioning, so I decided to call the agency to get me.
Oh no! Oh, never pedal!
Hey, good.
Oh, yes, no!
Miss Waben no means you know yeah or Belgium, I didn't even understand.
Oh, friend, so may where you might either say or be shall I say. And I say, be that or befa. Sano, what's here?
Hey!
confused.
I'm a professional fridge repairer.
What they be saying two sway. Listen, show
I'm
me
a
your two.
professional fridge repairer. Did they take him with back?
Be saying
Let me see your tools.
What would the tools do for
You
me?
brought a bag. I say you are beating around the bush.
Yes, of course.
Me whom tools? Show me the
Yes,
tools.
of course. Are you ready? You want me to do it or you
show me the tools for me to know that you really know what you're doing.
You just allow me to do it.
Allow you will you use your mouth to do it? Definitely you remove your tools. So remove the tools.
What I say my sister? Why?
TV no, I fridge no. Oh, the dear neighbor.
And I'm saying I want to check the temperature. I'll check it.
What's it not showing?
25.
Men so show us one.
The temperature and how
25 degrees Celsius.
See, temperature now we'll check it.
No, I check it from the fridge.
Koshiyogu. I'm said Dano, the other Koya mamma in Kakade, Kenya Kamama Babu. Obabu Waku. Hey!
My Jamanaka.
No, I didn't say Mrs. Sanona
Jamanaka assessing. Minna is a Minjaman can we Jamanaka is.
When did never to two? When did you ever to two? So, none of my dear quality Chelsea won't. Carrot, you're listening.
Budget, budget.
Please, I want to go.
Not afraid no more fashion. See me afraid just in say. On and a brain Nancy by say. Oh yeah, first no so TV repair no. It's also and I'm say and I say brain.
That's why
Sister, how many know? Well, not your way. Say your husband. What you have Shana. What you know?
Long the
Go away here. What I say, what the